Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the email widget in Odoo19, how to apply the email widget and what will it affect in our custom field in our custom module for Odoo19. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to make total of a integer, float or monetary field in the list view or tree view in Odoo19 for our custom module. What I mean to say is currently when we go to the person's view and open any of the record, and as you can see here there is a tree view or list view, right? And here you can see there is a field known as book price having various price of the particular books. Now what if I want to show the total price of this all the three books here at the bottom without any code needed in Python side? So in order to do that, we need to add an attribute known as sum in the XML file. What I mean to say, let's see in the code for practical purpose. First, let's go to the code, then go to the person's view. Here in our person's view, search for the form, and here it is our field, right? Price. Now what I'll do, I'll simply add an attribute sum is equals to, then followed by its name, total price. You can add anything. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading, go to the library management module, search for the person's view, open any of the record, and see, now you can see there is a total is shown. If you hover, you can see the label as well of this particular book price. If I go and create a new record, simply adding any of the record, you can see here the price will be updated as per the books getting added. See, it will give you the total of this particular field. So when this particular sum attribute can be useful, in that case where you need to show the total of the particular integer, float or monetary field. Remember, it will work only for the integer, float or monetary field, not any of the many to one character field, as it is pretty much reasonable because we can only do some of the integer and float type of data type. So beware of one that also this particular attribute will only work in the list and tree view, not anything else. You can also apply this particular functionality here as well in this particular list view as well. So if you want to do that, you can simply, first I need to add the price here. Go to the code, go to the books view, and what I'll do, I'll simply copy this price, add in the list view, and add attribute sum is equal to price total or total price as per your requirement. Restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade your module. After upgrading, go to the library management. See, now you can see book price. Here you can see the total of this particular field. So let me summarize today's small topic. In order to show the total of the particular field, any integer or float or monetary field, you can simply add an attribute known as sum. Where to add that attribute? In the list view or tree view. In the list view or tree view, all you need to do is add an attribute sum is equals to its label or any of the name as per your requirement. That's pretty much it. Odoo will do its work by own. You don't need to write any extra code for that particular functionality. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, Thanks for watching.